In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a car on Dubizzle. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can create a clean, trustworthy listing that attracts the right buyers. Start by opening Dubizzle in your browser or app and make sure you're logged into your account. Being logged in lets you save your progress and respond to inquiries quickly. On the home page, look for the option that says Sell my car or place an ad. Click it to begin setting up your listing. When prompted to choose a category, select Motors and then Cars. This helps your ad appear in the correct searches. Next, pick the car type and the most accurate subcategory. Choosing the right segment, like sedan, SUV, or hatchback, improves visibility and sets proper expectations. Now enter your car details. Fill in the make, model, and year exactly as they appear on your registration. Add the mileage as it currently shows on the odometer, and choose the condition that best reflects your vehicle. Be honest and precise here. Transparency builds trust and reduces back and forth later. Upload clear photos of the exterior and interior. Take them in good daylight, show multiple angles, and include the dashboard, seating, wheels, and trunk. Clean the car beforehand and avoid cluttered backgrounds. Make sure the images are sharp and that number plates or personal items are not revealed unnecessarily. Write a short description that highlights what matters: service history, single or multiple owners, any recent maintenance, and standout features like safety tech or infotainment upgrades. Keep it concise, straightforward, and free of exaggeration. If there are minor flaws, note them briefly. Buyers appreciate honesty. Set your selling price. A competitive price attracts more serious leads. Consider checking similar listings on Dubizzle to understand the current market range for your make, model, year, and mileage. Leave a small margin for negotiation if you plan to be flexible. Add your location so buyers can estimate viewing and pickup logistics. Choose the correct city and area to improve search relevance. Then enter your contact details. You can select your preferred contact method. If you value privacy, using in-app messaging is a good option. Before you publish, review your ad carefully. Double-check spelling, mileage, year, and the price. Make sure your photos are in a logical order and that the description aligns with the details you entered. When everything looks right, click Post Ad. After that, wait for approval. Dubizzle may review your listing before it goes live, and you'll be notified once it's published. Keep an eye on messages, respond promptly, and you'll be well on your way to a successful sale.